Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie. Today's video is going to be an IKEA haul. I recently went to IKEA and got a few new items and also repurchased some of my favorites. So I figured why not share with you guys a mini haul with the stuff that I recently got with my IKEA essentials that I feel like are a must buy for every home. I'll definitely be making a part 2 if this video does well, so make sure to give it a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright, so I'm going to get my receipt over here. I ended up getting 17 items. I guess 16 if you don't count the bag. But as I mentioned the items, I'm going to be mentioning the price as well. So first and foremost, I got 2 of these plate organizers, I think they're called. There's actually many different ways that you can reuse this. So you can obviously use it for the plates and organize it that way. But the reason why I got 2 is to actually organize my flip-flops and summer sandals in it, because I feel like it's always just piled on top of each other and it's a total mess. So these are $2.99 each, and obviously a steal for the price, but I can't wait to organize my plates and sandals using this. I then got yet another dish mat. This is actually my third. I am a huge fan of these. I feel like they're the best way to dry off your mats and not create clutter. When I moved to this apartment, one of my rules for the kitchen was to not get one of those like dish racks to dry off your dishes, just because I feel like they personally create a lot of clutter. They're also pretty bulky for the most part, so if you put them away, they're going to take a lot of space, or if you display them, they just don't look pleasing to me. So I just use these mats and put my dishes there as I'm doing them and then put it away. So I ended up getting another one because I also use it to dry off my makeup brushes when I wash them. I feel like this dries them off quicker and they're great for the brushes. And this was only $1.99. Kitchen related, yet again, I got a mitt. This one is navy blue. It's my second one. I got it when I first moved to this apartment, so it's a little beat up by now. But this is only $4.99 and it's pretty great. It's also somewhat slim, so you can fit it anywhere. I just feel like it's an essential for the kitchen, to be honest. For the bathroom, I got this toilet cleaner, which I always keep behind my toilet. I constantly change these up and repurchase them, especially because they're only $1.59. I personally feel like it's pretty useless to buy pretty looking ones or bulky ones or expensive ones, just because you should be changing this up constantly. So this being $1.59, it's amazing, and I feel like it's a great buy, especially for your first apartment. Now, the actual reason why I went to IKEA for this run was for this gold tray. I am so in love with this gold tray. It was one of my first purchases when I moved to this apartment. You guys already know my obsession with gold. I just like gold anything, but this in particular, I got it for hosting and, you know, serving drinks or food in here. But I actually ended up using it for my coffee table and just placing it in the center with some flowers, my coasters, and a candle there. It's been almost a year with the one that I got, so I wanted to buy a new one just because it has some like stains now with drinks and stuff. And this is only, I think it's $19. Yeah, $19.99. I feel like it's great. It's a great size. You can use it for different things, not just for your coffee table. Also for the kitchen, I ended up getting these cotton towels. It brings 4 and it was only $3.99. It has different colors, but I ended up getting the white and blue just because it's the most like minimalistic look color in my opinion. The actual main reason why I got this is because my boyfriend is constantly using my bounty sheets to dry off his hands whenever he washes them, and I feel like it's a waste. So I decided to get these just so we can dry off our hands that way and it's not a waste. If you watch my apartment tour, you already know my obsession with IKEA and the fact that almost half of the things in here are from IKEA or Amazon, but these curtains right over there are from IKEA and they are unfortunately sold out, or they don't sell them anymore. I don't know what it is, but I ended up getting these plain curtains. They're kind of the same material-ish, but they're just like solid. I wanted some solid curtains or different curtains to change up the apartment since I've been here for almost a year, and these are your classic curtains. They're the Vivian. What I love about IKEA curtains is that they're so inexpensive. It brings 2 in 1 and they were $14.99 each. So great price. The length is amazing. You can obviously buy like a little tape if it's too long and tape it that way. Organizers, IKEA is known for obviously creating organizing systems for you. They have these amazing acrylic containers that I love. I already have 2 of the big ones for under my sink. I have my detergents and cleaning supplies in there. So I ended up getting one more. I personally don't know where I'm going to put this yet, but I think I'm going to be putting it in the closet that I have all my makeup and extra products there. So I will be organizing that. And then I bought some smaller ones to also organize that way. Again, I don't know necessarily what I'm going to organize with these, but they're just such an amazing quality and light. So, you know, the price of these small ones were $2.79 each, and then the medium size, because I do think they have a bigger one, is $4.50, which is amazing. I feel like these are the cheapest containers I've ever seen, more than TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Target, the Container Store. So definitely get your organizing bins from IKEA. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you guys already know that I've become a plant mom. I am obsessed with plants. I love plants so much. I've been collecting them ever since I moved to this apartment. I feel like it just brings me joy and makes me so happy watering them and finding new ones. This particular plant I've been looking for such a long time, and every single time I go to like a plant shop, they're always like 20 and more, and they're always beat up. So when I was passing through the plant section, I found this beautiful golden pothos, I think you pronounce it, in there, and it was like such great quality. It was only $7.99. I feel like plants at IKEA are the cheapest as well, by the way, so I got this one. And then my nightstand plants are real, and they're also from IKEA, and they were like $4.99, I think. The pots that are over there are also from IKEA, and then this one is new and it's from IKEA as well. I love this one because it's like an actual solid white. The only thing about the pots at IKEA, they don't have a drainage hole, so yeah, your plants are gonna die if you pot them inside. But I basically just leave them in their little containers and put them in there, you know? But yeah, I'm so happy with this one. I am actually going to be repotting it and putting it in a hanging plant because it's meant to like hang down. I am going to be using the pot for something else, and the pot, by the way, was $4.99. All right, this little thing right here I ended up getting because I am constantly struggling to open up my greca. And this is supposed to help you open jars and stuff. This is $1.99. It's just like literally a little like rubber situation that you hold to open your jars. So hopefully it works for my greca whenever I open it, because again, it's a mission and a half. All right, so last but not least for my haul is this watering can, or like watering situation for your plants. I don't know why I'm blanking out with this name, but this was only $1.99. I already have one, which I also got from IKEA. I am obsessed with this one. It's one of those that it's great to display because it has like that little gold handle. And I don't know, it's just so cute. But it's obviously not the most practical, especially if you have a lot of plants like I do right now. So I constantly have to refill it every single time for each plant. So that's why I got this one that's a little bit bigger, and it's great for my bigger plants. And I love the color, obviously. Right, so that was pretty much it for the stuff that I got at IKEA, but I wanted to mention a few other stuff that I feel like are definitely a must buy from IKEA that I've purchased when I moved to this apartment. I have this beautiful lamp, and this one in particular was, I think, $50. It has brassy gold detail with cream. I feel like it goes perfectly with my apartment or the aesthetic for my apartment. And it's a really affordable lamp. A goodie but oldie has to be my wall mirror. This one I've had for a really long time, like almost 6 years I feel, and it's still intact. I do want to get a bigger one that they have with no rim, and I'm obsessed with it, but I still haven't found the perfect card to fit it because it's massive. My TV stand and nightstands are also from IKEA. Again, if you guys want to see my apartment tour, I'm going to be linking it down below because I have everything nicely displayed for you guys to see. And those are from the Brian's collection, I think you pronounce it. It was $39.99 for the nightstands, and then I think $70 for the TV stand or less. I know that it was a really great price. Obviously, as a typical YouTuber, I have to mention my Alex 9 drawers. They're amazing for storage, for your makeup, for even clothes. They're just great to organize and really practical. You can obviously get just the Alex 6, but I personally feel that the Alex 9 drawer, it's a little bit more practical. Another one of my favorite purchases and finds definitely has to be the mirror that I have above my vanity or my Alex 9 drawers. This was only $19.99 and it's massive, it's amazing, it's great quality, and I just really love it. I feel like it goes perfectly there as well. They have it in black. It's just a really great affordable mirror. Now, I recently mentioned to you guys that I've been wanting to find a shelf to put my plants, or like hanging plants. And I asked you guys on Instagram stories, and you guys mentioned and recommended the lac from IKEA. They have different sizes as well, but I am going to be getting the $19.99 one because it goes perfectly for my wall that I want to put it. But that's definitely going to be my next purchase when I go back to IKEA. Now, a little bit more into plants. I have this little corner plant stand that I am so obsessed with, and many of you guys are as well. This one was, I think, $29.99. It has 3 different layers. I love the wood detail, and I have 3 different plants in it. But you can obviously organize it and decorate it as you want. It's meant to be used outside, but I have it inside. So yeah, that was basically it for my IKEA haul / essentials that I feel like are a must buy. If you guys want me to make a part 2 of this video, I'll definitely do so, because again, there's so many things to buy at IKEA that I feel like are essentials and great things to buy, especially if you're a college student or on a budget. I feel like that IKEA is a great place to buy your furniture from. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell button if you haven't already, and see you next time. Bye! Welcome back.